Previously on Idiots Out, Wrenching Around.
I don't want anybody to ever buy a fucking stupid-ass second gen with their stupid-ass cross members.
Yeah.
That was easy as pie.
Yeah.
The old freaking Getrag.
I gotta fucking go to Bloomfield.
What?
Oh, found your problem. Oh, yeah.
Howdy. So we've got our ceramic 13-inch second gen flywheel style. Did I say ceramic? 13-inch? Yeah, from your local Napa. It's a Luck brand clutch. Luck. So yeah, we're gonna start putting her back in. I don't know what these bushings are for. Neither one of them fit the flywheel. I don't know why they would send them if they fit an old style flywheel. But either way, we're gonna put this thing back in today. Hopefully. So one thing to note before we even get started. Second gen flywheels have the ring gear clear down at the bottom, which should be as close to your block as possible. First gens, ring gears right in the center pretty much. So I assume anybody with half a brain puts a spacer in for your starter. Goes towards the block. Starter bolts on the back side. New bolts. Oh, my fucking hernia! That's some dangerous. I'll be back. Get back. Doc, move. So, what you guys probably didn't just see is I took my floor jack around to the front of the motor and took a 2x4 and stuck it between the jack and the pan and lifted the front of the motor up because I'm having issues. I can't get the transmission up high enough because it's hitting the pinch seam on the cowl. So instead of trying to take the transmission up, I brought the motor down to the transmission. In theory. we struggle.
One eternity later.
Drink up, old girl. The good stuff. You guys might want to see this. First start too. See, they're just going to line up. Nope. Right to where my finger's at, up in here. If you look and see the linkage on the master cylinder, there's like a bushing that's either gone or it's just junk. So that wasn't near as bad as I thought it was going to be. Let's get up under here more ish. I don't know what all you guys will be able to see, but so to remove the clutch pedal, there is a pin that runs through your clutch pedal and your brake pedal both. If you go to the right side of the brake pedal, there is a 3/8 bolt and nut. Take the nut out, push that pin from the clutch side out the right side, and then your clutch pedal can drop out. Oh yeah, you got to take the E-clip off of this master cylinder for the clutch, of course. But then you just drop it down, spin her sideways around the steering column, and it's out. But what we went in there for is because this little fella is obviously worn a little bit. And my clutch wouldn't disengage all the way. I measured the slave cylinder movement at one point in time, and it was like 3/4 of an inch. What I found on the interwebs, it's supposed to be well over an inch, like 1.5 inch and blah, blah, blah. Depends on who you're talking to, who says what. So this was the only slack I could find. My clutch pedal, when you looked at it, actually hung like 1 inch lower than the brake pedal. And I went and looked on Big Booty Judy, the other first gen, and its clutch pedal actually sits above the brake pedal. Who knows how many miles are on that truck or if it's ever been fiddled with. So I guess we'll find out if we can weld this up or what, but we'll get back to you.